Hello and welcome. This is Cheryl. Thank you so much for joining me today. Day by day, we're going through the windows on the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar, and today is day 17. So when we open the window, we get this really cool nested die set. I think this would be really great for even like a shaker window element on the front of a card. It looks almost like a window, but you could even use these for tags, and I'm going to make a tag with it today. And I think they would also be really cool for those pennant banners, just a little bit of a different shape. They're not really big, so you wouldn't be making a really big pennant banner out of it, but it's got so many different sizes that you can really get creative with the different things that you make with it. So I used the biggest one to create the base for my tag, and then I used the two biggest ones, and I'm doing a silver outline. I've already taken the time to do the biggest and the third biggest one to do a pink outline, and I've die cut a bunch of other things for the tag as well. Now the tag I'm making is just going to be a birthday themed tag, but I think you could have a lot of fun and create them for different themes. I'm just using some pink cardstock here that I did for my outline, and then I'll put the silver outline over top of it. And then I've got some pinks that I've die cut for a gift for in the corner. And then I use that For You die from a previous day as well. The gift die is from day 1. I'll have everything listed in the description box below. I just thought it'd be cute to do just a little tag out of it, something nice and simple. This is a great use again for cardstock scraps, and I find a lot of the dies from this calendar are nice and perfect sized for using up cardstock scraps. So it's a great way to just get creative, create a little project, but also use up some scraps at the same time. I'm using the Barely Art glue with the detail tip because I wanted to use that 2U die, and it's so detailed. This is the first time that I'm trying out the glue on something that's nice and detailed like that, and I really like that tip. You do want to make sure to completely clean it perfectly so that you don't have it clogged for the next time you want to use it. And I ended up using or running it under a tap of water, and then I used the needle that came with it in order to completely make sure it was nice and clean and ready to use for next time. I'm doing the gift as well as the bow off of the tag, and I'm going to let that glue dry for a few minutes, and then I will add it to the front of the tag. I just want that bow die, the glue to kind of set a little bit before I go and put that onto the front of the tag. And here we have a super simple, easy to make tag, great to use with, birthday gifts. You could even use this for a wedding or shower gift or like a baby gift. Easy enough to alter the colors and just change it up a little bit. Once all of the die cuts that are glued onto the front have dried, I'm just using my Crocodile to cut a hole in the top, and I'm just using some silver cord. It's going to match with the bow die on the top of the gift as well as the silver outline of the tag. I used a lot of string on this to do the bow. This way you could attach it to, say, a gift bag plus have a nice bow on it. I'm just going to tie a bow from the top, but I did make sure to use a lot of cord so that there was a lot to do with it. You could pick and choose how you wanted to use it. Very simple tag. Thank you so much for joining me for day 17. I will see you tomorrow for day 18.